Okay, so I know you've been experiencing some weird issues with Unity, and I have to say I'm actually a little stumped with it myself. So I want to get you going in the class though, and get you on track. So for now, I'm gonna have you use our cloud portal at Yavapai, okay, so that you can get started on different projects and things. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick, just so you can get started. You'll just want to bring up your internet browser, okay? And you're going to type in cloud.yc.edu, alright? And what that's going to do is give you a link through your computer to one of our lab computers at Yavapai College, okay? So once you've got that, again, is cloud.yc.edu. You'll come up to this screen and you'll want to choose VMware Horizon View HTML Access. Okay, just going to bring it up right in your browser for you. You'll use your username and password. I'm using mine here, so obviously yours will be different. Just go ahead and go to Lab Computer Enhanced. Just click on that. And it's going to bring up a lab computer for you. Okay. Now, I've already been kind of goofing around in mine, so it's kind of got some screens open here. But on this desktop area, you should see something that says software for your courses. So you're going to look in that folder, and it's going to be right under computer science, and here it is, Unity right here, okay? So you can go ahead and click on that guy to open it. Now it might ask you about the licensing. If you see this, if it comes up with this, just go ahead and hit reactivate. All right. It's gonna connect, and you're just gonna want to check this box that says activate the free version of Unity. Okay, so because in this class we're always going to be using the free version. So you can just go ahead and check that and hit OK. It's going to ask you for an email address and a password. So, this is just your Unity account, all right? So, you probably already have one, but if not, you can always hit create account and just go crazy, have fun times with that. Just gonna make one for myself here real quick on this computer. Boop. And it's going to ask you to confirm your account and all that good stuff. Again, you can avoid all that if you already have an account. That's fine. Okay, so once you've done that, you'll come to this little screen. You'll say Start Using Unity. Click on that. And now we're up and running, so we can just create a new project. Remember, when you're using these, you actually have your own special drive where you can save things. You won't be able to save things very well in certain places, okay? So if you come up into your computer here, you should have a drive with your name on it, okay, called the Z drive. And that's where you're going to want to save things so that you'll be able to find them again later. So I'm just going to start a new project real quick here and set it in my Z drive, my amazing Z drive. It's way down at the bottom. We'll just make a folder for that. I'll just name it my Unity project. Yay. And select folder, create. Alright. Oh. Let's see, yeah, just create that. So it will pop right up. And you should be able to come into Assets, Import Package, and everything is there. Hooray! So we can grab physics materials, for example, right off the bat, and just leave everything checked, hit Import, and it should appear right here in your standard Assets, Physics Materials. Yay! Also, as far as zooming goes, we'll just go over those kind of controls real quick. Just to make sure everything's working all right. All right, so I'm just gonna put some stuff in here that we can zoom around and do crazy stuff with. Let's see, I'll also let's put a plane in there. Why not? Just put it way over here. So, basically, you're going to want to hold down the Alt key anytime that you're moving your camera around. Okay? So if you hold down the Alt key and the left mouse button, sorry I'm a little dyslexic there, but think about that, that will actually rotate your camera around. Okay? If you are holding your Alt key and your middle mouse button, click and drag, that should pan the camera left and right, up and down, okay? And then if you are holding down the Alt key and the right mouse button, click and drag. That should zoom you in and out. Sometimes Unity does this thing where it will just suddenly start to zoom crazy, crazy slow, like it's almost not even moving. And, you know, probably the best way to get away from that is actually to move your camera somewhere else and come back to there, okay? Because it's just kind of, you know, one of those little glitchy things about Unity. It'll just, sometimes you'll be zooming in and it'll just be like mega slow. So if you experience that, just grab an object and hit F on your keyboard to frame that object, alright? And then your zooming should be back to normal at that point, alright? Hopefully. So just remember if you need to move around somewhere really quickly, just grab the object and hit F to frame, alright? You could just zoom right on over there. And also, you know, if you're using a 3-button mouse, it's likely that it's got a scroll wheel. So you can also, instead of hitting Alt and middle mouse dragging, you can just use the scroll wheel and the middle mouse there if you have one, as another way to zoom, you know, if you're having some trouble. So these computers should work all right for you. In the meantime, I'll try and see if I can figure out what's going on with your copy of Unity. I know you said you already tried to download it again and it's still not behaving itself. So I'll look into that. But for now, you know, just use these computers, or you know, you can even go into the computer lab and use the computers there physically if you'd rather. This is just a way that you can do it from home if you want. All right. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you need any help with anything else, and I'd be happy to help you out. Other than that, have fun making games.